Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the dreaded HP printer bug that has affected Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers as of recently. So we're on the Mid-Tower Lux right now, and while my listed printers are not renamed to HP LaserJet M101 through M106, if you look here at the icons, they clearly look like a classic HP LaserJet printer. And I can confirm that the HP Smart app had actually installed. I've already uninstalled the app. However, when I look in devices and printers, all the printers here, except for, well, this fax, which is kind of generic, do in fact look like a classic HP LaserJet printer. So Microsoft recently released a method to fix this. No, it's not a Windows Update fix, at least not yet. As of right now, you, the computer user, whether you have tech knowledge or not, are expected to use the command prompt to do this fix. So first I'll go ahead and download this troubleshooter tool from the download center here. So we'll go ahead and download this. The one that we need for our system will be x64. To look up the version of Windows you're running, we'll just go to our start menu. Now this is on Windows 11. Windows 10 is a little different. You'll look for settings. If you aren't sure, you can actually search for it. So let's go ahead and go to About, and you can see that our system is an x64 based processor. So again, we will download the x64 version of this troubleshooting utility. We'll copy this file name. We'll need it here in a moment. So now we'll go ahead and launch command prompt. So again, if we're on the regular Windows start menu, we'll just type in CMD. We're going to select run as administrator. Alright, so the next step is we're going to have to navigate to our downloads folder. If you aren't sure of where your user name is, here's how to look up, because you're going to need this information. Because what we got to do is we have to type in the address of our file. So we'll go ahead and go to start. I'm going to go to computer, and of course you can launch File Explorer and then go to this PC. So it would be this PC. I have it called computer because I'm old-fashioned. Now on most computers, your user profile will be in the C drive. Since my data is stored on a separate volume, it's on F. But on your system, 98% of the time it will be in the C drive. So we'll go to C, which I'm going to F. Go to users, and then here's our username, and then downloads is down there. So if I click up here, now of course the newer Windows 11 File Explorer looks a little different, but same concept. So it would be, in my case, F:\users\nick, and there'll be another backslash, and then downloads. So keep that in mind. And I've already copied the file name to the clipboard, so that way we can just paste it right into command prompt. That being said, let's bring up command prompt. Let's navigate to that file. So in my case, it will be F:\users\nick\downloads/ our file name, and then we'll add .exe to that for an executable file. We'll press enter, and it says troubleshooter completed successfully. So now let's go ahead and go back to our devices and printers, And you can see all this data here is refreshing. It's currently in the process of regathering this information. And if your printers were all mistakenly renamed to the HP LaserJet M101, this will update, and you can see right now our correct printer icons are coming back up. For example, my Brother machine looks like a Brother machine, not a HP. And if your system does in fact have the HP Smart app installed, this should uninstall. However, if it does not, you can just go into your Windows Start menu and you can search for it, and I'm going to search for it again just to be sure. HP, and for example, HP Smart, it is no longer on here. So we are good to go there. So anyways, that is how you can fix this issue. It's really not that difficult if you take your time. If you aren't sure, go back and watch this video again. Hopefully this will help your situation. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video from Q channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and tick the bell so you get notified of a new video I post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends to get the word out. In addition, I have a second YouTube channel, that's QCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about cycling and weather, and videos of me personally. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.